is giving us fits. Here now. I don't know why my thing isn't working. That's so awesome. Speaker. All right. Back to this. So critical. We know that from day 2, critical points are hills and valleys, plateaus, custom corners. We know that the derivative switches at all those locations except plateaus. Setting up the number line, super duper important. And we know that points are awarded for listing the correct interval and justification. So that's part of, that's part of that 2-part component that I was talking about. Okay. So any questions about those takeaways? Good? Okay. So quick summary, how can I use the derivative to determine the intervals over which a function is increasing or decreasing by using that process outlined in page 9. Okay. So we're gonna verify positive and negative and zero derivatives, and then we're gonna draw conclusions from that organizer. Okay. So we've got 2 class activities, College Board quiz and the topic questions also in College Board. And I just want to, reiterate, I'm moving the topic, the practice or the guided practice, whatever you want to call it, I'm moving that from being in the packet to being in College Board. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you can then click on all of the options for answers in College Board, and it gives you great feedback. It tells you why an answer is right, but it also tells you why all the other answers are wrong. And that's really important to read, okay? Because the wrong answers, in the AP world, we call the wrong answers teasers because they're enticing. It's like the way we get those wrong answers is we sit here and we think, well, what could the student do wrong? Okay, and then we solve the question that way and we put those answers in. So, so it's excellent insights to read those reasons why answers are wrong. And that's why I'm kind of pushing you back into College Board instead of just giving you a paper copy of those questions, okay? The feedback is just far more robust than it was last year. That being said, because I feel like not many people were doing the topic questions yesterday, would it be better if I at least gave you like a worksheet space in your notes? Like said, hey, do the topic questions for day 3 here, and then like 6 boxes. So you could have a place to do work. I can start including that in the notes. Okay, just so that you have a place to organize your information. And then it's all nice and chronological. So I'll start putting those in the notes. Okay, all right, go at it. Go ahead and take quiz 1. And then the topic questions, it's only a 4-question quiz this time around. So it's an 8-minute sort of thing. And then you do have a con homework. And that is increasing and decreasing interval, but I'll back that up and put that information up there now. I am going to stop the recording, but I am still here in this space. If the questions, shout out your question. Oops. Stop.